Hello, today we're going to discuss a little bit more about Manjaro Linux, and today is going to be more focused on getting software and a little bit of customization on the actual operating system itself. Okay, so here is my freshly installed Manjaro. I've adjusted the size and everything to give it a little bit cleaner look. So we're going to go down here onto the Start menu. We're going to go to Applications, and we're going to go to Add or Remove Software. So there are two main ways of getting more software and updating on your computer. The first way is with the GUI, which is I believe it's called PAMAC, this one. And essentially, you have the option to browse the software you currently have in your system. Well, the first ones will be, sorry. This is the actual marketplace where you can look at different software. You can see what's currently on your system, like for example, Firefox, GIMP, the calculator, Gparted, these sorts of things. And you can also run an update as well. So any software you currently have, all you have to do to update it is go on to Update, click Apply, and then it will start the updating process. Not a problem at all. You do need to put in your password. So PC, I believe that is it. Excellent stuff. So then it will start doing it. The updates will happen during, like, you can carry on doing your stuff even while it's updating. And at the end of the update, it will never reset. Like, unlike other operating systems where you have to consistently reboot in order to update, you don't have to on Linux at all. That's one of the benefits. So next, we're going to download a new piece of software. I don't think you can do that while updating, actually. Cool. So I'll actually wait until the update's finished because I need that in order to download new software, I believe. So I shall see you in a second. Bye-bye. Okay, so the update has concluded. I did need to restart there because it's like the first update after a fresh install. After that, shouldn't be a problem. Cool. So, so here's all my installed software, and now I can actually browse for new software. So imagine I need some video editing, some picture editing, or some picture drawing stuff. I'm actually just going to install, let's go, Libre Writer. Let's just have that as an example. So here, I can click the button, I can apply, and then it should come up with the password. We've got different versions. Oh yeah, these are like the different options which you can use to like editions, like a Java support or something like that. I'll just go with the normal one. Apply those ones. Put in your password to get that, and then it will start updating and installing. Okay, so this is the program PAMAC sorting all of that for you. So once everything's downloaded, you should be able to open it up just fine. And it's that easy to get new software. You don't need to go into the browser and look for software there and click and download it. It's all on here in PAMAC. Okay, we'll just wait a second for that to download. Fantastic, it is successfully installed. If we go back onto the install here, we should see at the very bottom, Writer, maybe. Okay, yeah, there it is. LibreOffice Writer is right there. Cool. You can also remove it. You can reinstall it, or you can launch it from here. I'll just quickly launch it. And there you are, your lovely new piece of software. So that's how you do it through the actual GUI. But how I tend to do most of my software installing is actually through the console or through the terminal. Okay, so if you open up your menu here and grab the terminal, you can actually type in commands in order to do a lot of different things on Linux. This takes a little bit of time to look into and get used to, but it's way quicker and way less prone to bugs, I find, than the actual GUI options. Okay, so here I'm just going to go sudo pacman s, and I'm going to download Blender. Sudo is used to get permissions in order to change your system. Pacman is the software that's used to go and grab the software and put it on your computer. The S is like the specific instruction, and then Blender is an example software in which I want to install. Okay, so once that's done, you go there, just gives you a nice little message to say, please do be a nice person. You type in your password. And then these are all the things that Blender requires in order to work. So click yes. And then the actual software will start downloading. Okay. This definitely looks like I'm kind of like hacking into my PC or something like that. You're not. You're just providing instructions to the PC in order to do things for you. Okay. And a lot of Linux goes through the console, and there's a lot to learn here. And in my opinion, it's a lot faster to do it this way than through the GUI. A lot of things are actually super useful about the GUI, about the terminal. So if I actually open up another one while this is downloading, I can actually open up another terminal over here and do some extra stuff. Like for example, if I wanted to look at the date or the calendar, there's a CAL calendar command. So I can see the month. I can go CAL 2024 and I can see the entire year. I can see different files on my computer using the ls command. I can see extra information about the files. Like we got desktop, we got documents, we got downloads, desktop, documents, downloads. It's all there for you. The terminal is pretty cool. There's a bunch of stuff you can do. But we'll close out for now because everything's done. Again, no need to restart. We've updated and we've installed something without restarting. And now, if I go into, I believe it's graphics, Blender is right there for you. So if we click on that and open it, opens up Blender in a second. There we go, cool. Then, this is the actual program I use to install, make videos and stuff. And you can go onto the video editor and start making some videos if you want to. So, yeah, so that is the way that you can install software on Linux systems. Each flavor is a little bit different. They may use different commands or even different like GUIs in order to use. This is the Manjaro example, but it's just a quick way of suggesting like you can install software and it's pretty easy. Okay, thank you very much for joining me today, and I shall see you later. Bye-bye.